everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, let's discuss top 3 financial analyst courses in United States that offers 100% placement guarantee as well. So our first and the topmost institute to learn financial analyst course is IIM Skills because of their dedicated placement cell and the money refund policy, and in their course you get a dedicated in which you can access all of their pre-recording material, the course, the syllabus, ebooks, etc. And it is a lifetime access, means if anything changes in the future, you will have the access. Not only this, but their best part is they provide you dedicated placement cell in which you can apply to millions of jobs, and if they fail to get you placed, they will refer. This course is completely online and also certified by Government of India, and they have professional trainers to cover each and every module of the financial analyst course. So if you are very serious to learn financial analyst in 2025, then IIM Skills is a great option for you. The next institute we have is Ematicus, and it is again a very good institute to learn financial analyst for those students who want to learn financial analyst in the offline medium. But this course is little bit on higher side, which is 1,49,900, and this course is for somewhere approx 6 months, including the internship period as well. So it is available in both offline and online medium, and it comes with a job assistance. So if you are an offline learner and want to learn financial analyst, then Ematicus is also a great option. So our last institute is 365 Financial Analyst, in which 365 is totally numerical. They have 3 different variations available for the same course, in which they provide you the self-paced program and the subscriptions as well, and the pricing goes up to $500 to the $1,000. But for the self-paced program, it is total, and you can consider it for your self-learning. So if you are really interested to learn financial analyst, then I have given the list of top 3 institutes in which you can take the demos of these institutes first and then select any right institute for you. And also I have given the links in the description box of these institutes. Please go and if you're still facing any doubt, just feel free to comment below, and I will personally reply to you with all of the possible solutions. And if you like this video, just don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye and happy learning.